CSS hyper caption case and firstly, how to write one. W was classified line and server HTTP is text-based request response for product. And firstly, we classify in the first based request that server and the server define that the classifier. What is word based? Word based are the text content. HTML advertisement language is not shown or descriptive. And the rules are the markup tag provide information about the page content structure. HTML introduction. This one for advertisement language. About English is computational computer language use that treated website. And the layer text about the browser or what how to display image. Creating a page. And its HTML file must be set.html system or HTML. HTML file can be created with text editor. And we can use Notepad++, but remember as the past HTML test. And that's that is opening tag, and secondly, this closing tag. And HTML data, we use HTML data, that's it. And the HTML body. And this is some simple text. Using hyperlink, this anchor tag is idea, and then title. Image tag, we use image tag and source. As you have to source. And there are some simple tags. CSS specifically expensive. Use the same classification of document and define spacing, size, color, layout, etc. Improve content accessibility. Improve usability. Benefit of using CSS. More powerful formatting than using present stack, and you face more fastly. Link HTML and CSS. How we link HTML? Firstly, it's three types of way we link HTML and CSS. The first is inline, interpreted, and external. And using external binding highly recommended. And there are some become for inline. In the text, use the text, that is p text is equal font size, and it is example inline. It is style tag, and other type include HTML text by HTML file. And there are example is embedded style sheet. And external linking. Thereby, that can be all used to share the style sheet. And there are some examples why linking HTML external style sheet. And there are some examples with external CSS that is external file. And there are some examples. And this will be shortcut or because there are examples of font style with CSS. Firstly, we should font style italic or memo. Then variant, then white size, white height and background. We change the background CSS file. Then after background and color, we use the image or file. But this is by putting the URL, unpacked documentation, and then fixing it. And then we background color image, and that's my position with it. That's CSS file. Border, shortcut and rule setting border is and the example is border. Border is shortcut is the one to solid or other template, other class we use that. And border weight, color style we can use the CSS file. Weight and height. We can use many border and the CSS file. Weight and height is very important for us. Margin. We can use short form, margin type, region, or that, or it's margin type, margin border and padding, and there are very context. position. We define the different CSS values. Our contact is position, goal, position, or is. Look, the element plot. So one slide, left, right. Our CSS is the element starting point from 1 0 to 1. And what Mozilla browser use? We can Mozilla use. We can this what? And the most thing we didn't know because the HTML and CSS user minimum. And lastly, we created a then definition bar and even home registration account. Then the CSS file. First we need to upload menu bar and then fetch it. Then you will fetch it, export margin and back. And the last, what are these? You touch that and cursor pointer. That means you cursor in the home button, gallery button, is selected. And this is the final result. After you cursor the home button, it's over. We cannot use presentation show that hover. So, and third topic is hypertext representation. Hypertext representation is a commonly used on website. System form, the system form hypertext representation. It's the open source and embedded multiple operation system web. What can it do? It dynamically generation of web based context, database, email submission, text question, and memo. And that is the manual that is limited to SSL function. What is on PHP and the product is started to us of the state. In the simple test PHP. We can write the hello world. When you pass it, in PHP test and people then hello world and coding. There all listing must be unclosed single or double quotation. Number of not then close or 1 or 55 or 3 34 and the command we use this is the command and this side is also command and this side is multiple lines equals in the side. And lastly we use the single line and multiple line. There are two languages constraints available to display data, print or to. They can be used without bracket. And this is the example of symbol. Some character obviously, some character comes considered especially. So the character will be flat when they have small example a double or single function. And this is the example of this. And variable, we define variable here is dollar sign. First we take case sensitive. Dollar sign variable defined from the dollar sign variable. You take a look at or focus on the sure. This is the example. So with the variable for character and the user and info name is h. The final result is constant. And the constant is answer variable, which is variable. This constant is given a number. And that is the example. It is different to string writing as a single or double word. When the single word single on variable extension takes place.